Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing kind of like a food prep video for you guys since school started back. We're doing some Uncrustables. I just make them here at home. I bought this like little sandwich Uncrustable maker off of Amazon. So I just do like a bunch of them at once and stick them in the freezer. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that and let's get started. So first things first, we're gonna get some parchment paper and lay it out on the counter so that everything just kind of stays in one place and it doesn't spill crumbs and everything else everywhere. Then we are getting all of our bread, and at this time I'm gonna make like 10 sandwiches. So we're gonna get all of our bread and lay it out. Next, we're going to take all 10 slices of bread and put peanut butter on each slice and kind of set it to the side. Now we're gonna get jelly on the rest of the pieces and then make the sandwiches. Now we're gonna take the sandwich maker and make the Uncrustables. I kind of tried it out a couple different ways as I was making them just to see which was easiest. I got this off of Amazon for like $10, and honestly, it's so easy. And you can make a bunch at one time and then you don't have to worry about it. So they can just pop them into their lunchbox. So what kind of things do you guys like to prep in advance for school lunches, stuff like that? Let me know below in the bottom. I'd really love to hear your ideas. I know y'all are probably thinking, oh my gosh, look at all that crust, so much waste, this and that. But no, I actually use the crust. I make a peanut butter and jelly casserole with the leftover crust, and that way the kids can eat that for breakfast. And if y'all would like to see that recipe, please comment down below and I'll make a video with the recipe for that. So then I'm gonna freeze them, and once they're frozen, we are gonna stick them in some Ziploc bags. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.